Let's see how to sign out from your Google account. If you are already signed in, you can see a profile icon on the top right corner. As I am not signed in, I am signing in to my Google account. Now you can see a profile icon is appeared on the top right corner. Click there. You can easily sign out from there. Below your email and your Google account name, you can see add another account or sign out. If you have more than one email or Google account, there will be option like sign out from all account. Click there to sign out from your Google account. That's all.